Greetings everyone and welcome back. This is Marco and today we are comparing the Super Takumar and the Asahi Pentax-M 50mm 1.4. As always, I have already reviewed both of these lenses, so don't forget to check out the dedicated videos. Both lenses have metal bodies and weigh around 220 grams. The Takumar is 38 to 45 millimeters long and the Pentax is 37 to 44 millimeters long. Both have an external diameter of 63 mm and a 49 mm front thread. The Takumar has 6 blades in the iris and the aperture goes from f1.4 to f16 plus a manual auto selector for compatible cameras. The Pentax has 8 blades and the aperture goes from f1.4 to f22. Both are clicked and with half steps. The focusing ring turns 200 degrees on the Takumar and 210 degrees on the Pentax. It is textured on the Takumar and rubberized on the Pentax. Minimum focusing distance is 45 cm for both. The Takumar has an M42 mount and the Pentax has a Pentax K mount. On paper, these two lenses are very similar, but let's see how much they differ in performance. The Pentax is a little sharper throughout the aperture range and has a little less chromatic aberration. Colors are warmer on the Pentax and more neutral on the Takumar. The Pentax has more contrast and saturation, while the Takumar has more visible blooming at wider apertures. Specular highlights are virtually identical wide open, but stopping down they maintain a rounder shape on the Pentax. Needless to say, they both show a lot of focus breathing. The Takumar is more prone to both flares and ghosting than the Pentax. This is one of those cases where these tests do not tell the whole story. I strongly recommend you to check out the individual reviews to get a better idea of the difference in image rendering. To sum it up, these two lenses are very similar, but the Takumar has a stronger vintage character with more chromatic aberration, blooming, and smearing in the backgrounds and edges of the frame. I've also found the Takumar to be a little harder to focus properly. And that's it. Let me know which one do you prefer, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!